There is a very important update out there, and I would love you to pay attention on this video. If you are planning to apply for a German family reunion visa from Nigeria, I have an important update for you concerning the appointment and application process. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, I am happy checks and simplify German immigration information that could help you avoid costly mistake in the future. Now, what has actually changed? As of 1st of July 2026, the German Consulate General in Lagos switched to the Consular Services Portal for processing family reunion visa applications. This means that if you are a new applicant, instead of simplifying or joining the old appointment waiting list, you are now expected to start your application through the official Consular Service Portal, meaning that you have to create your own account, select the appropriate visa category, complete the online application, and upload the required documents. The information and documents you submit online are there checked for completeness by the German Embassy, Lagos. Now, does this mean you immediately get an appointment? The answer is no. This is very important. I know to some people, you will be thinking, if I generate or create an account, I have automatically gotten an appointment date. But creating an account and submitting your application through the portal does not mean you automatically receive an appointment immediately. The consulate will first check your application and documents, which you've already submitted. Once the application is processed through the portal and you are ready for the next step, you will now receive a relevant information or appointment booking link. So please do not confuse creating a portal account with having an appointment. But what about the people who were already on the old waiting list? To some of you that have already started up this process, this does not really affect you. This is probably one of the most important parts of this update. If you are already registered for a family reunion visa appointment under the previous waiting list system and you already have a registration number, the German consulate says that you do not need to create a new account on the foreign or the consular service portal. Isn't that so wonderful? Now, to the existing waiting list registration remains valid. I need you to grab this at the back of your mind. The consulate says that appointments will continue to be allocated according to the chronological order, according to the waiting list. Okay? So, please do not panic and rush to create another account simply because you've heard that they've already initiated a new procedure. Then what do you need to pay attention regarding this? If you are starting your family reunion visa process and now you have never registered on the previous waiting list, you should follow the new procedure through the official Consular Service Portal. And please make sure you select the correct visa category that's you provided your accurate information. Please, I beg you, do not copy someone else's application simply because the application was successful. And again, your circumstances and documents must correspond absolutely to your own case. All right? Now, on the next step, another way or another important warning that I would like to notify you on is to be careful with people who tell you, give me your details, I will book this appointment for you. The German mission in Nigeria state that appointment booking is free of charge and they do not encourage applicants to use agencies. Please do not pay anybody any dime for appointment. You are also responsible for the information submitted in your own name. So please be careful about giving out your login details, passport information, or other personal information to someone you don't even trust. What should you do right now? I love to make my videos detailed. If you are a new applicant, please go through the official German Consulate Service Portal and follow the instructions for family reunion. If you are already on the waiting list, please hear me, and you have already had a registration number, please, there is no need for you to create another registration. It is not necessary. Your waiting list registration is still valid according to the consulate's current information. And if your situation is unusual, for example, your marriage, children, previous registration, change of circumstances, or documents, don't assume that somebody or someone else's experience automatically applies to yours. Always check the current official information for your particular category. I will be making more details content explaining the new process step by step, including what new applicants need to do before registration or registering. So please save this video, share it to some people that will find this very helpful, and of course, as you are preparing for your family reunion visa, follow me for more detailed explanation. And of course, guys, see you on my next video.